In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a template in Shopify 2.0. By the end, you'll know exactly how to back yourself up and cleanly remove a template you no longer need. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the right store and that you have permission to edit themes and templates. Keeping a backup is important because deleting a template is permanent. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store. This opens the Themes area, where your current theme and any unpublished themes are listed. Locate the theme that contains the template you want to remove. Open the Actions menu. It's the button highlighted in the guide, often shown as 3 dots or a small drop-down next to the theme. Before removing anything, create a quick safety copy. Click Duplicate. Shopify will spin up a duplicate theme that preserves all of your files and settings. If you ever need to restore the template or compare code, this backup gives you a clean fallback without affecting your live store. After the duplicate is ready, return to the same Actions menu, the highlighted button. Be sure you're targeting the correct item. If the template you're removing is currently assigned to a page, product, or collection, consider switching those to a different template first, so visitors don't encounter errors. Now choose Remove. Shopify shows a confirmation prompt because this action cannot be undone. Read the prompt carefully to ensure you're removing the intended template in the intended theme. Confirm by clicking Remove Again. Shopify will process the change and the template will be deleted. If you don't immediately see the update, refresh the page to clear any cached state. To recap the flow you followed, go to your Shopify admin, open Online Store, use the Actions menu, make a duplicate for safety, open the menu again, remove, and then confirm. Keeping the duplicate around for a while is a smart move. It lets you roll back or copy over sections if you realize later that another page relied on that template. That's all there is to it. You've safely backed up your work and deleted an unneeded template in Shopify 2.0. If you keep your storefront organized by removing templates you no longer use, navigation stays clean and your team is less likely to assign the wrong layout by mistake.